Welcome to our channel. Today we're unveiling the 2025 Mansory Pickup, a vehicle that redefines luxury and performance in the pickup segment. The 2025 Mansory Pickup is an absolute powerhouse. Under the hood lies a meticulously tuned engine, likely a V8, that delivers breathtaking performance. Expect mind-boggling horsepower and torque figures, propelling this behemoth from 0 to 60 mph in mere seconds. Mansory's signature attention to detail extends to the chassis, ensuring optimal handling and off-road prowess. While specific engine details are yet to be officially released, it's safe to assume a highly modified version of a renowned power plant. Expect larger turbos, upgraded internals, and a custom exhaust system to unleash the pickup's full potential. Mansory's engineering expertise guarantees an engine that is as exhilarating as it is refined. Inside, the Mansory Pickup is a testament to luxury. The cabin features exquisite materials including premium leather and bespoke trims. The advanced infotainment system includes a high-resolution touchscreen, integrated navigation, and a premium sound system. The interior layout is designed for both comfort and practicality, with ample space and customizable features. The 2025 Mansory Pickup is anticipated to hit the market in late 2025. Pricing is expected to start around $180,000, reflecting its high-end specifications and exclusive design. The 2025 Mansory Pickup combines extraordinary power, luxurious comfort, and advanced technology, setting a new benchmark in the luxury pickup market. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. See you next time.